The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Coolpad Legacy brisa for Beach Mobile. So this is a new budget phone for Beach Mobile. It's available now for $99.99. It's currently on sale. It's $60 off. It's $60 off its retail price of $159.99. So you can get this right now for $99.99. So this is a budget phone, like I said. Specs in here are pretty decent for what it is. So let's go ahead and check out the Coolpad Legacy brisa. So this is like the third or fourth Coolpad phone. This is like the third or fourth Coolpad Legacy phone for Beach Mobile. So yeah. So that's the front door in front of you. You do have a teardrop notch with front facing camera, earpiece right there on top of that. Power and button keys will be on the right side of the phone. And you have this pretty nice and colorful wallpaper there. So pretty nice and colorful. So yeah. There's the right side of the phone. Like I said, you do have your volume keys and power button on the right side of the phone there, and it's available in the silver color, so pretty nice. There's the front of it again. Here's the front of it again right here. Your SIM card and micro SD card is on the left side of the phone there. So yeah. That's pretty much it for the left side of the phone there. And then in the back of the Coolpad Legacy brisa, you do have dual cameras, camera first, fingerprint sensor, Coolpad logo, and I think it's indented here on the back. So like it was with the original Coolpad Legacy, this is indented here on the back. So pretty nice looking design on the back. So yeah. So it says here, the Coolpad Legacy brisa features a beautiful 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display, allowing you to experience more the performance, sleek design, sophisticated HDR and audio, and built-in smart photography features elevate the experience, keeping you entertained all day long. So that's pretty nice. Also, this phone is compatible with the Xfinity network, so that is pretty nice. So in order to take advantage of the Xfinity network, you will need a new TN SIM card for that to work. So just keep that in mind. So quick specs on the phone, like I said, 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display, dual cameras in the back at 16 and 5 megapixels, and a 16 megapixel front-facing camera, 21 hours of talk time, 32 gigabytes of storage, and you have Android 10 on board, so that's really nice. Of course, how it works is you order today, wait for your phone to arrive, pick up on and activate online. Pretty simple, you know. So features of this Legacy brisa, you have the expansive display. A spacious 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display delivers a better and brighter entertainment experience. The vivid colors and sharp contrast makes watching movies, gaming, and viewing photos more. Makes it more exhilarating. So that's good. Powerful performance with the Snapdragon 665. You will experience incredible performance allowing brighter gaming and camera capabilities, even security. With a 4,000 mAh battery, the Legacy brisa allows you more time to talk, text, and share the experiences, keeping you connected to wherever you go. Charge up to 4 times faster with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. That's nice. Sharp cameras take incredible pictures with the 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel dual rear facing cameras and a 16 megapixel front facing camera. The rear facing camera provides built-in smart functionality that will capture the perfect high quality picture in every shot, while the 16 megapixel front facing camera will capture the picture perfect selfie. Enhanced media. Watch, play, listen, and browse with the Coolpad Legacy brisa, packed with enhanced entertainment features, HDR from Pixelworks, THX, tactical audio for headphones, multi-streaming Bluetooth with 10 power. This device delivers a more thrilling entertainment experience every time. Premium design. The premium design adds a playful physical touch around the edges while the light reflecting surface complements its visual finish. It is designed with Gorilla Glass 3 to provide an extra layer of protection and damage resistance to prevent cracks and scratches. So I think the front of the phone is has a I think the front of the phone has Gorilla Glass. I think the back does too. I'm not really sure if the back has it. I know the front has it. Customize safety. Unlock your device with ease and keep your device safe and secure with multiple security options to choose. Have peace of mind knowing your device has been reviewed and assessed for security by IO Active. So that's interesting. Also, Android 10 on board, so that's pretty good. Some of the newest ways to control your privacy, customize your phone, and get things from its Android just the way you want it. It also has Mexico memory capable, so that's pretty nice. It says here, stay connected even when you're traveling in Mexico. Plan out is required for that to work, so they keep it in mind. Also, voice memory capable for us. Keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the base network. So that plans include 15 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. So I would use that for emergencies only, of course. So that's that if you guys need it. Use it for emergencies only. Also, the Coolpad Legacy brisa is mobile hotspot compatible, so that's good. It says don't get stuck without an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for when to go access rates per planet. So do keep that in mind. Specs on here are pretty decent for what it is, a budget phone. So you have a 4,000 mAh battery, 21.8 hours of talk time. The battery does not remove. 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage with support up to 128 GB of microSD. Snapdragon 665 octa-core processor, Android 10. 16 and 5 megapixel rear cameras and a 16 megapixel front-facing camera. Display is 6.53 inches Full HD Plus. That is a TFT LCD panel. Your dimensions for the Coolpad Legacy brisa: 6.52 inches height, 3.1 inches depth, 3.1 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. The Coolpad Legacy brisa weighs 6.7 ounces. Your connectivity options for the Legacy brisa is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB-C charging. So that is nice. What's included in the box is your Coolpad Legacy brisa smartphone, travel adapter, health, safety, and warranty guide, battery, and USB-C cable. So not much there. And if you guys need help with your Beast Mobile phone, Beast Mobile has you covered with that. Says they want to know everything there is to know about this phone. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So yeah. So there you guys have the Coolpad Legacy brisa. It's not here at Beast Mobile. It's available now for $99.99. Currently sale $60 off. The full retail price is $159.99. So for what you're getting, this is not a bad phone. This is a budget phone. This is not a bad pickup, you know. I do think the phone does look very nice in my opinion. You know, I think it's worth the money. The phone does look very nice, especially they're pretty good. I didn't like the wallpaper there. It's pretty colorful there. So yeah, pretty nice phone overall, you know. So this is like Beast Mobile's like what 34th Coolpad Legacy smartphone. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Coolpad Legacy brisa is not here at Beast Mobile for $99.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If that's me a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.